Hello. In this video I will show you how to install Microsft Edge browser on Nothing Phone 2a. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and click Edge. Now click install and now you can click open. Here click skip introduction and now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings, and now you can try out AI, or you can click start browsing. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.